Yeah, it's 9:58.
Tama na.
And
Tama na ang kaba.
in the airplane.
Damang-dama ko na ang kaba. Uy.
We're about to fly.
Wow.
We're about to fly.
Flyer.
We're with Sir Alan, Madam, and Carlene.
The first time.
Carlene, it's her first time to sakay here.
So guys, we have arrived in Manila and we are going to
Baguio City!
sabi ko Thailand.
After after how many hours of waiting?
Enough ha? Pero we are going to Baguio with the high schoolers. The high schoolers? Diba? The conception. I don't know what school, pero we'll see. I think, yeah, let's go. Yeah.
That's worldwide.
Hapon din man na siya.
Hi guys. Right now we're eating our
ASMR.
we're eating this.
Food vlogger Johannes. Honest review.
I rate it 8 out of 10
Because
it's
Can you-
yummy, it's fluffy, but
can you describe the texture of the
it's smooth, as you can see there. It's fluffy, and the taste is not too sweet, but yes, that's it.
what can you say in today's activity?
Today is the day, thank you.
What about you? Dapat English? Ano English ka wala? Hindi ko kabalo mo English. We'll be right back. Joke lang. Manang Mary, if you're seeing this, go panic ka video this. Pinakigat ako. Oh, saya siya.
So, here po kami sa may I don't know. Mangkota. Alam ko may 3 pieces for 100, 4 for 100. Assorted, 3 pieces 100. Wala ko namin nakalagay.
Sige, sabi ko.
Ano?
Ano?
Yung sakay na. Ginawa na naman yung last school year.
Give me a bit.
Use natin yung last school year.
What is your reaction to this group?
Shocked that my group mate this year is the same last year.
Hala.
Yeah.
Ako din, same. Ikaw sa amin, first time mo ito. Ang masasabi mo?
Say hi.
Oo, si Ma'am Marian.
Hanap tayo ng gel.
Yan dyan talaga sa mabili.
Hala.
Ayan, si
Okay.
Kalimutan ko yung name niya. Sama niya last year. Ito na ako talaga kayo. Ano gagawin?
Ano ang gagawin? Bakit?
Ano?
Bakit ako nasa harap?
Ano yung natin dyan, guys?